Welcome back, everyone. On this adventure, we're heading to South Pedlar ATV Trail. This trail is part of the George Washington and Jefferson National Forest, located in Big Island, Virginia. We're pulling up to the parking area at one of the two trailheads here at South Pedlar. This one is the Terrapin Trailhead, but just down the road a little is the Rattlesnake Trailhead. The entrance here is about half a mile long and pretty well maintained, but it is a bit narrow with some steep and hilly areas, so you'll want to use caution, especially with oncoming traffic. We've never really encountered it, but it would definitely be a bit tricky if another truck or trailer were coming in the opposite direction. So a few more pull-offs would definitely be welcome along this trip up to the parking lot. So here we are at the parking lot for the Terrapin Trail, and when we got here the lot was pretty empty, but on a Saturday this lot fills up pretty quickly. It's large and there's a lot of room, but there is a 16-foot trailer limit, and once this lot begins to fill up you'll see why. This is the gate here at the Terrapin Trail, and trails at South Pedlar are for dirt bikes, ATVs, and UTVs in the 50-inch class. Permits are required, but it's only $5 a day or $30 for an annual pass, which in my opinion you can't go wrong, especially for how nice of a riding experience you get here at South Pedlar. The trail system here at Pedlar is a looping system, which is one of our favorite kind of trail systems to ride. It consists of the large yellow Pedlar loop, and then the orange Piney Trail, which loops nicely back to multiple points in the Pedlar Trail. The green Otter Trail loop, connecting the Piney Trail with the Pedlar Trail. One of our favorite trails here is the purple Lone Mountain Trail, slicing down the center of the trail system and looping back with the Pedlar Trail. And finally, the Lasso Trail, which in and of itself is a loop, hence the name, Lasso. There are also two scenic overlooks along the trail system, one here at the north end of the Pedlar Loop, and the other along the Lasso Trail. Of course, almost all of these trails also quickly loop back to the main trailhead and the parking area, which is super helpful to plan out a break, take shorter rides, or stop for lunch. Today was one of the busier times here, and so we encountered lots of people on the trail. Most trails are pretty wide, giving you enough space to easily pull off and safely pass by, but there are some spots that you'll see the trails are a little bit tighter or hilly, and that requires some special care, especially with two-way traffic. But most people we encountered did practice good trail etiquette. We've made our way to the first intersection here in the large yellow Pedlar loop. We're going to go and turn left here and head up to explore the Piney Trail a little further north. One of the things you'll notice right away are these humps they've built into the trail system. I think they're multi-purpose. One, to slow everyone down a little bit. With some of the smooth stretches, you can really get going pretty fast otherwise. And also, probably just to enjoy some extra jumping opportunity, especially for the bikers. I've had some people express that they find these annoying, but driving at the trail speeds, we really don't mind them very much at all, especially considering how smooth most of the trails are with nicely packed clay and mud. The bumps don't really deter us too much. We've arrived at the intersection of Piney Trail, so we're going to turn right here and enjoy this stretch of the trail. There are also several areas to play in the mud up here. Some will let you just spin your tires, and others you can definitely get stuck if you want to. In all of these locations, there's always at least one go-around option if you're not interested in the mud.
Did you go the other way?
Well, we've reached the end of the Piney Trail, and we're going to stop here and take a little break. Next time, we'll take a trip down the Otter Trail, so we hope to see you back here then. Thanks for watching.